Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to stripe.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll find yourself on the main home page. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the billing section. Inside the billing section, click on Invoices. This will take you to a page displaying all previously created invoices. To manually charge a customer, you'll need to create a new invoice. Click on the Create New Invoice button. A form will appear prompting you to select or add a customer. Once your customer is selected, then choose currency. Then the next step is to add a product or service you're charging for. This could be a one-time service, a product sale, or any custom amount, depending on your business model. After that, if applicable, add taxes to ensure your invoice complies with regional tax laws. Once everything is entered, click Save to secure your progress. Now, to make the payment process automatic, set the invoice to auto-charge the customer. This ensures Stripe automatically processes the payment using the customer's stored card details. Before finalizing, review the customer's card information to ensure it's accurate. If everything looks good, you can also schedule a charge date, which allows you to determine when the payment should be processed. Once satisfied, click on Confirm Invoice to complete the process, and that's it. So that is how you can manually charge a customer in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.